Bite handle combo involving a Zen ricochet. Using a 4301 or another sharp bally will make you learn this a lot quicker, because you will be bleeding if you mess up. It's very dangerous because you're starting off with the bite handle and you got a ricochet Zen style, so it does not touch your finger. Otherwise, if the blade did touch your finger, you will be bleeding all over the place. Start off, bite handle in hand, double flip out. Don't let it ricochet off your finger. Pointer finger comes inside, handle will come up, grab safe handle, flip back out, double style.